Today, we are turning simple ingredients into a fast, healthy, and budget-friendly favorite. We're making stir-fry cabbage with ground pork. It's packed with flavor, super juicy, and comes together in no time. Let's get cooking. We'll start with a medium head of cabbage. Slice it down the middle, cut out that tough core, and chop the rest into nice bite-sized shreds. Set that aside for a bit. Heat up some cooking oil in your pan. Give your onion and garlic a quick chop and toss them right into the sizzle. Sauté until they're soft and fragrant. Now add your ground pork. Break it apart with your spoon and cook it down until it turns nice and golden brown. Chop up some fresh, juicy tomatoes and slide them into the pan. Mix them through to let those juices combine with the pork. For that savory depth, add a splash of soy sauce, rich oyster sauce, and a dash of ground black pepper. Give everything a thorough mix to coat the meat. Pour in 1 cup of water to create our rich base. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer so the pork gets fully cooked and tender. Remove the lid and start adding your shredded cabbage. Do this gradually so your pan doesn't overflow. As it heats up, it will wilt down nicely. Cover it back up for a couple of minutes to steam. And there you have it, our quick, savory, and super satisfying stir-fry cabbage with ground pork. It's fresh, flavorful, and absolute perfection over a hot bowl of rice. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to CMT Kitchen for more quick home-cooked meals. Drop a comment below and let me know, are you a fan of cabbage cooked soft or do you prefer it extra crunchy? Thanks for watching and see you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!